this episode, we're going to have a look at system tests, but with a little bit of a twist. Because we have dockerized this application, and so I'm going to get into its shell. And so once we're in the container, we can create our database, run any migrations, and then we can run the binrails test:system, and it'll run our system tests. And so getting this to work within a Docker container in a headless way is actually kind of tricky. But if we do want to see its progress, we are able to use a VNC connection. And with this running, we can run the tests again, and then we can see it all happening within the browser. And so that's what we're going to look at setting up in this episode. It's going to be especially useful if you have a Dockerized environment and you're wanting to run system tests. This method will also work if we run the test:all, which will run both the normal tests as well as the system tests. And that's pretty cool because out of the box, Rails isn't really set up to handle this. And so in this episode, we're going to look at Dockerizing our Rails application and then also doing the necessary setup for the system tests. To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftingruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.